TP-Link Tapo C500 Outdoor Pan/Tilt Home Security Wi-Fi Smart Camera 2MP 1080p Full HD Live View 360 Visual Coverage Night Vision Support Alexa and Google Assistant Two-Way Audio 1080p Full HD Live View reveals clear and sharp images with more detail. Person detection and motion tracking. Smart AI identifies a person while tracking motion with high-speed rotation, notifying users as needed. 360 visual coverage provides 360 horizontal and 130 vertical range to cover every corner. Night vision, up to 98 ft, ensures your safety by providing a clear visual distance of up to 98 ft, even in total darkness. IP65 weatherproof offers excellent waterproof and dustproof performance for outdoor scenarios. Multiple installation options use the mounting screws, template and loops to install on any wall, ceiling or pole for the perfect view wherever you want. Flexible storage choices save recorded videos to an installed microscard up to 512 GB or use Tapo Care Cloud storage service. Customizable sound alarm record your customized audio as an alarm to extend your usages. Physical privacy mode maintains your privacy with the lens physically blocked by the housing. Two-way audio enables communication through a built-in microphone and speaker.